Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Blizzard Lighting Blok 2 IP, an outdoor-rated wash light that promises ruggedness and versatility. This fixture is designed for demanding professional use, and on paper, it seems to have it all. The Blok 2 IP is powered by two 25-watt RGBW plus UV-COB LEDs. This combination allows for a broad spectrum of colors, including the ever-popular UV effect. The color mixing is smooth, and the output is surprisingly bright for a battery-powered unit. The inclusion of UV adds another layer of creativity, making it suitable for various applications, from architectural lighting to stage washes. One of the standout features is its IP65 rating. This means it's completely protected against dust and can withstand water jets from any direction. Whether it's rain, snow, or a dusty environment, the Blok 2 IP should keep performing without issue. This is a huge advantage for outdoor events or installations where weather conditions are unpredictable. Wireless DMX control is built in, operating on the 2.4 GHz band. This eliminates the need for messy cables and allows for flexible placement. The built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery is another plus, providing hours of operation without needing a power source. This makes it ideal for remote locations or events where running power is difficult. The Blok 2 IP is built tough. It feels solid and well-constructed, ready to withstand the rigors of professional use. The freestanding design adds to its versatility, allowing it to be placed directly on the ground or other surfaces without needing additional mounting hardware. In summary, the Blizzard Lighting Blok 2 IP is a feature-packed, rugged, and versatile wash light that's well-suited for outdoor applications. Its combination of wireless DMX, rechargeable battery, and IP65 rating makes it a compelling option for professionals who need a reliable and flexible lighting solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.